invincible, and she's just in the background. And she says, I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to fit in. I wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids.
My sorrow.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be checking out the Arambol beach here in Goa. So right now we are in October and this place is incredible. So I've already done a video on the market, so if you've not seen that one, definitely check that one out as well. And we are going to go on the beach and check it out and see what's open and what's not. The place is incredible because the vibe here is just awesome, guys. So we're going to check out what's open. Let's go and check it out. If you're new to my channel, I'm a local YouTuber from Goa and we do a lot of videos here, so please do subscribe and let's go and check out the beach. So guys, at the moment we're at the entrance of the beach, and as you can see here, there's a shack over here which has these beach beds, and they have the beach tables as well. So this is the main Arambol beach at the moment. So this is a very beautiful place. The vibe, the culture here is incredible because you have people from all over the world that come here. So as you can see, look at the beach, it's so beautiful. So over there in the distance are the famous rocks that define this place. So anytime you see those rocks, you know that somebody's clicked a picture in Arambol. So at the moment the place is empty. It's empty in the sense there's a lot of people down that side of the beach, but this place there's not much people now. You come here in the evening, this place will be completely packed and there will be a lot of people. And surprisingly enough, the whole area which I was in the starting of the market was full of foreigners. So as you can see, the shacks are open. You have beach beds over here, you have beach tables, and the beach shacks keep on going. So this one is called 21. There's Gecko Bar and this thing. They have Little Italy over there. So Little Italy, and there's many others. So we'll just take a little walk on the beach. So as you can see, this is a very beautiful place. This is something you have to click a nice picture. This is a fish boat from Goa. These are the local boats that the local fishermen take and go out. So if you click a nice picture here, it's really cool. You get some great pictures here. So we'll just see the water. It's not the bluest of water. If you want really blue water, then you would have to go to South Goa. So if you've seen my other videos of Benaulim and places like that, and you can see the beach is really beautiful there. So we'll just take a stroll on the beach and feel the vibe. And if you're not coming to Goa anytime soon, you can just feel that you're here. The breeze is incredible. So it has this amazing cool breeze at the moment. So I'm not really sweating. I am sweating, but the breeze is just helping so much. It's so nice. Wow, so the water just came in and my legs and my jeans. Okay, so I'm so silly. I wore jeans to the beach and my jeans are completely wet. But it's fine, it's all part of the experience. How cool is this? So Little Italy has like this trance kind of music. So it's happening place. This water which comes from these streams are not clean water, guys. So it comes from lakes, but then a lot of the water gets filtered down and there's a lot of dirty water that comes in it as well. So this is definitely a hot spot for foreigners. Mostly foreign tourists come here. You can also enter the beach from another entrance. When you come straight from the market, you can go straight to the beach that side. but this is mostly where the Indian tourists come, and this area is mostly where the foreign tourists are. So, but I would recommend this area more because it's more beautiful this side. They also have lifeguards here, and yes, swimming is allowed. So as you can see, the people in the distance, there's hundreds of people swimming over there. Hundreds, not hundreds, but yeah, maybe there's around 100 people that are out there and swimming at the moment. So the beaches at the moment have the red flag, means you're not supposed to swim deep, but you can go up to a certain level, which is like you see the first wave breaker. So you can go up to that much. And yeah, the sound of the waves is incredible. I just love this place. So again, I got wet again. So guys, that is it from the beach. We're going to head in back now. So I'll continue shooting, and you know, we can just feel the vibe here. You can also, many people asked me before, can you go to those rocks there? Yes, you can. There is a small pathway that you can go from that side, and you can go to those rocks and click pictures, but it is very dangerous, especially when the tide comes in. You could fall onto the rocks and you could get injured really badly. So as I said, the flag is red. When the flag is red, you're not supposed to swim. If it is half yellow and half red, then you are allowed to swim. So that is something you should know if you didn't know already. So yes, the beach beds are open, the shacks are open. You can buy a nice cold beer here and have a great time. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go to one of these shacks and I'm going to get myself a beer. If any of you are thinking that I drink and drive, no, I do not. I never drink and drive. So I have my driver is there. I'll show you in a later vlog my driver. So he's one of the coolest guys. So I'm going to head on to the beach bed and ask them the rates, so you guys know how much they charge for a beach bed, or how much do they charge for the drinks and everything here. So yes guys, beautiful. So most of the people in these shacks are North Indian tourists at the moment. And how I know that is because I asked a lot of people. So no, I am not judging or making up things on my own. So I'm going to sit over here at the shack and I'm going to order something from the menu. So they have a menu here. Let's check it out. So the rates are pretty good. They are about 150 rupees. Okay, so some of the dishes are above 300. So anyway, so guys, at the moment I'm sitting at the shack. I'm going to get a couple of beers and I'm going to get fish and chips. The fish and chips is 250 rupees, and the Kingfisher beer, I'm not getting a Kingfisher, I'm getting a Budweiser. So I will put the price of the beer below, and I will also put the price of the menu, the drinks menu, at the end, so you can see the drinks menu guys. So we're going to get my stuff and then I'll show you. So the gentleman here has got me my Budweiser beer. So, wow. He really knows how to pour, because most people, they don't know how to pour a beer properly. Look at that, that has no froth at all. So this guy is a professional. Yeah, so okay guys, so I got my chilled beer and I got an incredible view here. Thank you. So yeah, so beer with a view guys, beer with a view. So this is the best. It's going to be amazing. Oh my god, it's so chill. So let's have my beer. As you can see, It is so cold. It's basically almost frozen. So beautiful. This vibe is incredible. I'm gonna call my driver now and I'm gonna have lunch with him. So guys, I'm enjoying my meal. So this is just okay. I've already eaten half because I was so hungry. So this is shark fish and it's fish fingers. Fish and chips. It's only 250 rupees and it's very tasty. So it's very crispy and delicious. So this is the French fries. This is 200 rupees and it's pretty good portion and it's very crispy. Definitely something to eat. So guys, this is Daddu. He's the main guy who takes me everywhere. He drives my car and yeah, so he takes me everywhere. So all these videos you see, he drives the car and takes me around. So a big thank you to him also for taking us to all these places. So these are amazing people I met here in Goa. Here in Arambol.
Moses is an amazing person.
Yes.
Moses is an amazing person. We had fun time in Goa.
Goa with our little baby.
Thanks to Moses.
Looking at his videos. Thank you, Moses.
That's Gazelle.
Hi. So yeah, we met some amazing people here.
Then here you
Hey, I
are.
have a question. Okay?
Mumbaikars.
As dumb as it sounds, what is this fluffy?
Mike.
It's a mic.
Ah.
So what happens
It's
is
not like a soft toy or something. कि भाई लगा दिया
I was roaming with a fluffy bunny around town. No, this what happens is when the wind comes in and you keep it away.
I should have asked Aditya this question rather than asking on a fluffy mic question. Me, I didn't ask the question. Aditya, your question
So we're gonna
answer
get
for
our
fluffy
drinks.
mic.
Okay, who's having what and what?
Whatever. Yeah, I'll have the. It'll go stout here.
Stout है क्या कुछ? ऐसे क्लियर है वो?
The Simba.
Exchange is bad per
Okay.
So fine to carry this clothes around.
Stout dar wheat dar babu.
Stout है. There's wheat.
Wheat है चलेगा?
There's wheat beer.
Yeah, he's good. He loves it. Yeah.
Wheat beer. Okay.
Wheat.
Okay. Yeah, start
Who's having
pouring
this?
the love.
Apple. Who's having this? Apple, another one. Somebody's having.
I better feature in your blog, huh? Otherwise I'll be very upset.
Yes.
Some stuff. I
Coffee
want
want, sir?
drinks.
No.
Yeah, and look at him. He's the sweetest guy ever. And I was supposed to buy all of them beers, and then he went.
But this is
behind my
अपना
back.
बॉम्बे का क्या बोलते हैं
किसको?
दिलदारी को
I wish I was not so drunk.
बॉम्बे की दिलदारी को क्या बोलते हैं? क्या बोलते हैं?
मेरे को नहीं पता है।
Hospitality.
Hospitality.
बॉम्बे का स्टाइल है क्या? क्या
Bombay का style. This is us, yeah.
philanthropy
Philanthropy, but we're poor.